Hey Mom, it's your son. I got a pretty big day today. Finally gonna go meet with Sheriff Jeff Lawless, and I'm gonna bring Tim and Sarah and go and have a face-to-face with the sheriff. He is the highest ranking copper in this area. I know you don't like it when I say that, but so it should be interesting, there's a different approach now, Mom. The old way used to be that they would just placate us and string us along, and we would just sit there and take it. Well, let me tell you something. The people have a voice, and today it's going to be heard. The chance of Jeff Lawless doing anything with these iron cops is between slim and none. So my job is to make him feel. I just came to see what this office was. I'm literally heading over to the counties to the.
This used to be his office.
This used to be Kevin Waldo's office.
When he took judge.
When he took judge.
His daughter worked out of here too, but now it's her office. And then
So his daughter's a lawyer. And what kind of lawyer is she?
She works for the prosecutor's office.
She works for the prosecutor's office. So Judge Waldo is the judge who hears criminal cases, and his daughter works for the.
Works in a different court. She cannot work in his court.
But he's judge in this little town, and then his daughter works the prosecutor's office in the same little town. But they don't work in the same courts.
No, they do not.
Okie dokie. So Kevin wouldn't have any influence on any other judges or prosecutors in a town of 10,000 people, would he? Is this the sheriff's office?
Yes.
Okay. How you doing, Sarah?
Nervous, right?
Huh?
We're nervous.
You nervous? Don't be nervous, Tim.
I want you to hear, see the video call that I just got off.
All right. So this is the sheriff's office here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, get over. What is that pin right there? Is that county paid for?
No, sir.
You paid for that yourself and put that on your jersey? Huh. I mean, dude, did you say that you paid for that yourself?
Yes, sir.
And you put that on your jersey?
Yes, sir.
What an embarrassment. That's a terroristic flag. What an embarrassment. Let's see if we can get some transparency here. Because if anybody goes to the Ironton Police Department webpage, you can't file a complaint. Can anybody show me how to file a complaint? That'd be great. How you guys doing?
Oh, man. We've been up for about an hour.
How many people are calling you and contacting
Oh,
you?
God, several. So many, I can't. I've got pictures of injuries. My brother-in-law sent me pictures. I want to show you these, okay?
Mm-hmm. Well, ultimately, Jeff Lawless is the one who's responsible here. Are you Jeff Lawless?
I am.
Fantastic. Mr. Lawless.
Yes, sir.
I'm ChilleDeCastro. I'm a civil libertarian.
Yes, sir.
And I'm also a journalist.
Yes, sir.
You guys, this is Jeff Lawless. He's voted in as sheriff, and if he doesn't do his job, you can vote him out. So I just want to be clear. What's your name and badge number, sir?
My name is Jeff Lawless, and badge number 1.
Badge number 1, huh? A little one-horse town. So, we went to the Ironton Police Department webpage, and we tried to file a complaint for Sarah and Tim, and I'm sure you've seen the video. You've seen the video, right?
Parts of videos.
I want to file a complaint for Tim and Sarah against the Ironton Police Department, a criminal complaint, because according to Ohio's legal procedure, I have to file a criminal complaint against the police department before we can file a federal lawsuit.
And
There's
I'm
no
here,
place
you're
on
asking,
web.
Tim, let him talk. Please, don't interrupt. Let him talk.
you're here and you're asking, and I'm going to comply with that request. We're going to file a report for you.
Yeah, it's a criminal complaint, and I
Yes.
want those people arrested.
No, that doesn't happen.
If someone came down here and said I kidnapped them, put them in torture cuffs and took them to a... No.
If a cop would have kidnapped somebody, we'd absolutely arrest
Okay.
him. I've put 6 officers
gonna-
in jail in my career.
You have?
Absolutely.
Okay, Jeff. Okay, well, ultimately, you're responsible. So if we're going to fill out a complaint, let's do it.
Yeah. I don't understand why you're so hyper or upset with me when I haven't done a thing with you. I'm trying to help you.
Because this is a lawless place.
Hang him in, all right.
No, Jeff, your name is Lawless.
It is. That's exactly right.
Yeah, listen, and I'm not going to be mean to you, dude.
Please, that's exactly right.
I'm really tired of it that they said we went to see the sheriff. I mean, come on, Tim, let me do what I'm doing. So we went down there to file a complaint, and Pam acted like obtuse. And then she said, go online and file a complaint. We go online to file a complaint. You can't.
You can't. You
I
can't do
can't,
it.
and I can't answer for their agency. I mean,
Of course you can't. This is the whole pass the potato. He can't do it. He can't answer. They can't answer.
for my agency.
Right, but then if I talk about him, he can't answer. And then what about the guy wearing the blue stripe? Why is he wearing a blue symbol of a gang symbol? No. It aligns you guys under a different banner. This is a fact. I mean, come on. You need to know
I'm
this.
not going to entertain that. Let's talk about this complaint. You know when that happened?
That's been
Oh
over
God,
2 years
about 2
ago.
years ago. I can't tell you.
I know the date. I have the date. It's on the video that you haven't seen.
I've got to.
You don't have time to worry about the law.
I don't have time to worry about your videos.
My videos.
Yeah, that's
They
what I'm talking
showed
about.
the body cam, and we can't even get all the body cam.
Well, again, there's means of doing that. Contact the Ohio Attorney General's office and ask them to
No, Jeff,
do an
it goes through
investigation.
you first,
That's
actually.
Not true.
The Ohio criminal procedure goes just like this.
And that's what we're doing here.
Okay,
We're filing a
right,
report.
right.
Now I'm gonna talk to them, and I don't want you to speak for a minute. all right?
Now I can't speak
Now you,
anymore.
while I'm talking to them, I would request that you allow me to
Sure,
converse
Jeff.
with them.
You know what, Jeff? That's a fair thing to say. No problem.
Thank you.
Okay, so there's so much to go over. First of all, we saw I picked the wall up. She went to the police department. I had a handicapped brother. I had to help him. She went by herself to the police department. She was met with intimidation. They, they were standoffish. They told her they didn't find a wallet, but if they did, there wouldn't be any money in it. He told her, I ran your tags.
Oh, that's right. Wrong
I
color
asked
car.
him, why were you running our tags? Well, we can run tags if we want. I said, yeah, but why would you jump out behind us specifically, literally as soon as you saw us and run our tags?
Let me ask the sheriff something. Sheriff, is it common practice for police to run people's tags? Because there's an ongoing debate online about whether or not you can just run license plates just because you're a cop.
Well, you run tags to, if there's some suspicious activity.
But we weren't doing anything.
Tim, let me get the answer to the question because there's a raging debate. People are fighting back and forth.
So there's a license plate readers that will just read license plates and alert an officer
But
for something
this
wrong
is
with
an
the car.
individual officer.
Correct. So
Is that legal?
absolutely.
So the debate has been decided. Jeff has weighed in and told us that the cops can run your license plate and check your tags anytime they want, according to Jeff Lawless. Okay, so you guys, now you have your answer. And that's legal law? So they can, it's not harassment? I just want to know.
It would become harassment if it's just over and over again, that type of thing.
Oh, okay.
If there's a reason for that.
Oh, okay,
Again,
okay.
So,
No, thanks, I appreciate it.
Right.
No, you're answering questions. You're the authority, so.
So that happened. He pulled her over. He said, the color of your car on your registration.
Do cops usually pull people over for the wrong color car? Is that common practice? Is that a normal thing?
it's not a common practice for our agency, so.
Would you do that, Jeff? Would you run a registration and go, oh my God, it's silver and it says it's gray. Let's pull the car over. Is that a valid reason?
Only, it could be if you feel like the car has been stolen or there's some suspicious activity going along.
Or
with
if
the
you
car.
recognize the people who accuse you of stealing a wallet.
Well, I'm not gonna.
Or if that's. Turn the sound off, please. Right?
But there could be reasons for that. I mean, again, if I run a plate and, somebody may have their car painted or something, so just because the car, excuse my voice, I'm getting over a cold here. Just because a plate, the color of the car comes back wrong, I wouldn't necessarily pull a car, but it could be a valid reason.
No, I looked up everything about you, just so you know. So Jeff Lawless, you are the man, the sheriff here. Have you ever in your life pulled over a car and said, you the wrong color car's on the registration? Have you ever done it, Jeff?
No.
Okay, so it makes absolutely no sense. Okay, got it. Just want to make sure.
Okay, but
And this was 2 years ago as well.
this was, well.
A year and
about
8
a
months.
half.
Year and 8 months, year and 7 months ago. I have the dates written down for
It was a few
you.
months after the wallet incident. And then,
But hold on. You're skipping a bunch here, just so you know.
Well, and
There's tons. You can watch a body cam, Jeff. You can watch a body cam.
yeah,
Okay.
but
you can watch the
what I'm
body
gonna say
cam.
is I don't need
have
to
this
get
one.
every detail from him right now. I'm getting a briefing because he's going to explain all this to
Yeah,
another
I tell you
officer in
what,
just a
we're going to
second.
take the 5 of us, we're going to surround you, and we're going to question you, put our fingers in your face, and threaten to arrest you, and threaten to pull you out of the car and put you in handcuffs. But he doesn't want to hear that part, right?
I'll let an officer,
Right.
the officer take, there's no sense in him
Have you
going
seen the
through
body
time.
cam of that pullover?
No.
Okay, great. So when we see the body cam of that pullover, the details are going to matter. When you intimidate people who aren't armed with 5 people around them who are armed, that matters.
And again, it'll be up to the prosecutor to review that and see what's going on and see if they feel that's a violation or if that's a crime. So,
But it's not up to
that's
you.
it.
It's up to the prosecutor only.
Correct.
You couldn't review that and see that's criminal with
Well,
you.
we're going to review it and add it to the report.
Okay,
absolutely.
fair enough.
If it's available.
Fair
I don't
enough,
know-
fair-
I don't know if it's available.
Oh, the body cam's not available?
Well, I don't know if it is. I haven't asked.
Why would the body cam not be available? I know you're bringing up things that are important here, sir. Have you guys got the body cam for that? No, they can't get the body cam. Did you apply for the body cam? Yeah.
That was.
Yeah, they asked for it. They couldn't get it. Wonder why that
At
is.
that time, we didn't even file a
Okay,
complaint.
so second incident. Now go to the third incident, please.
We didn't know it was gonna go as far as the.
Is that true, Jeff? Is there so many people in the jail that they're sleeping on top of each other? That's what she's saying. I mean, that's what she's saying right now to you, and you're the sheriff. I just want to know if that's true.
I'll have to go back and look at that.
No, let's go now. Can we look now?
Well, I don't know. We can have how many people's in jail now?
As of today, there are less than 52.
Okay, well, cool. When we're done with this,
Would not
Jeff,
be at that time.
can we just take a look when we're done with
No,
this?
absolutely cannot.
Why can't we?
Because
There's no transparency.
No, you can go in on visitation days. There's visitation days you can go in.
I'm visiting you, Jeff.
Yeah,
I'm
but
here to. This is your re-election campaign video. This is what this is.
I don't worry about this stuff.